The DUMPMAN Sewer Hose Kit Camper brings together value and practical features for RV enthusiasts who want straightforward black water management. It includes two attachable 10-foot hoses with secure swivel fittings, a Clearview 90-degree adapter for visual conformation, and 4 storage caps to prevent odor and leaks. Its high-quality construction features robust bayonet fittings and a reliable rubber seal to prevent unwanted spills. Users comment on the ease of installation and tightening, which helps eliminate common concerns of leakage and disconnection at dump stations. The hoses themselves are praised for flexibility, durability, and resilience in the face of rough use, while others appreciate being able to see the flow clearly during dumping. At 20 feet, it suits most campsite configurations, making both short and extended stays easy to manage. The affordable price point and solid 4-star ratings make it an attractive pick for those upgrading from older hoses or equipping a new rig, though some feedback notes a wish for even thicker hose walls. Overall, this kit reliably does its job, simplifying dirty work and offering competitive value, perfect for budget-focused buyers looking for performance and peace of mind. For a straightforward, affordable solution to RV black water chores, the DUMPMAN Sewer Hose Kit Camper delivers, and we share by links in description box.